Hello! This video about radio frequency module of key programmer ITV2 Plus for Audi A6, A7, A8 and Volkswagen Touareg from 2010 till 2014 years. There are 5 steps of working with this module. Step 1. Saving code. Turn on the radio at the main switch while holding for 2 seconds the blue button. After the power is turned on, permanently lights up the blue LED. It means the radio is switched to 868 MHz. All models of Audi in Europe connect antenna to right input. See photo on the left. Enough to do it only once at startup. You no longer need to hold the blue button. Radio is permanently set at 868 MHz mode. If you want to catch the code from Volkswagen Touareg 434 MHz or Audi in Russia also 434 MHz, press and hold for 2 seconds red button and connect the antenna with a red stripe to left input in the radio. See photo in the middle. If you want to catch the code from the cars in USA or Asia 315 MHz, press and hold for 2 seconds green button and connect the antenna with a green stripe to left input in the radio. See photo on the right. After the power is turned on, all the top LEDs blink 5 times. Red LEDs indicate that all channels are free. Press and hold green button for about 4 seconds. At the moment, the green LED lights up and the device will sound longer. After this operation, the radio is already in catch mode code of the car. LEDs blink at this time in blue. Photo below. If the radio is properly catch code, top left LED will flash alternately green and blue color. After catching, the radio can be turned off. The battery replacement will not lose code. Step 2. Entry into key emulator. Turn on the radio. If it's in the correct code, the upper left LED should blink 1 time in green and 4 times red. This means that the left channel is recorded 1 key and 4 places are free, while the right channel on the radio is still free. Now you need to switch the radio in the car key emulator mode. You need to press and hold for about 4 seconds the red button. That lights up permanently blue LED. At this time the sight will blink. Now press green button once to select catched the key code. LEDs on the radio should look like as in photo below, blinking. Radio is in the emulator car key. New key replaces, but it's an emulator and a precode catched before the car. Step 3. Starting car version 1. Connect programmer ITV2 Plus to the OBD in the car. In menu, select consecutively work group Audi model A8, A7 or A8. Add key 1 and press OK. During the program, you will see shortened inscription reconf.conf, reconnect comfort. Disconnect the plug, brown and black, for 2-3 seconds from the BCM module, which is located in the trunk A6, A7 right side of the trunk, A8 behind the rear seat in the trunk. Then, after disconnecting and reconnecting the plug-in module BCM, back to the programmer and press OK. After a few seconds, the programmer asks for applying the key to the antenna which is located on the reverse side of the programmer. To do this, use the radio with the read before the code of the car. You have to turn on the radio in the emulator mode key, described above in step 2. Place the radio to the antenna programmer on the reverse side as on the picture. Programmer will download the appropriate code from the radio and show OK. Then go to the adaptation of the key. You will see the words key adaptation. Place the radio to the antenna on the dashboard of a car. Place of drone a small antenna over the air conditioning and press the start button on the center console of the car. The dashboard will show the programmed key L011. The programmer appears Start Car. To properly start the car, press the brake pedal. Apply the radio to the antenna on the center console. Press the start button. Wait 2-3 seconds and the car will start. To start the car every time, you need to put the radio to the antenna on the dash. Procedure of deleting cached codes on the radio. Push and hold two buttons at the same time, green and red. Turn on radio with holding buttons by 2 seconds. All channels will be free. The LED blinks red. Or if you want to delete right channel on radio, push and hold two buttons, blue and red. Step 4. Starting car, version 2. First of all, you need to do a copy code before the code of the car. Connect the programmer ITV2 to input OBD. No matter which car, you need only power. Select in menu of programmer consequently VAC group, AUDI, model A6, A7 or A8, key copy A678. Enter in radio key emulator mode. See step 2. Place the radio to the programmer and read the code. Then the programmer asks for applying the new key. Place the new key and upload the downloaded code from the radio. Now the key is ready and pre-code to the car. Now the key have the same catch code as in radio. To program the key to the car, follow exactly as in step 3. When programming, you need to use the key to which you have downloaded the code from the radio. To properly start the car, press the brake pedal. Apply the key to the antenna on the center console. Press the start button. Wait 2-3 seconds and the car will start. If you have a new key in version with keyless entry, needs it applied to the antenna in the car only during the first start. Later, the key will work at a distance. Remote in keys writes itself automatically. Step 5. Additional information. Antenna with white stripe 868 MHz. Right input on the radio. AUDI Europe. Antenna with red stripe 433 MHz. Left input on the radio. TOUAREG and AUDI Russia. Antenna with green stripe 315 MHz. Left input on the radio. AUDI TOUAREG version of the USA and Asia. More details you can read in user's manual of this device. Thanks for watching.